guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm here in our kitchen. Yeah, kitchen, spill kitchen. No guys, I'm joking. I'm here guys to show you how to cook egg. Nakita nyo yun guys? Yeah, very simple recipe, right? You need to boil hot water. Yes, and then you need to put lukot-lukot like this. Yeah, the egg. And be careful to your fingers. If the, water is very hot, you need to careful, okay? Like that. It's depend how many eggs you want to eat. Ay, sorry. I'm sorry. Nakakita ko guys ng ito guys. Ayan, nagkaroon ng butas guys. Ayan. Aywan ko ba dito sa itlog na to? Wala namang sisiw to. Gusto nang lumabas sa mundo. Hay, Diyos ko. Ayun nga guys. Pasensya na kayo guys. At yung egg nga guys na durog. Ayun. Lumabas ang kaulo-uluhan. Pero dahil gusto ko siyang ilaga, you need to be careful, you know. Yes, maybe the chicken is not come out, but oh my god, chicken want to drink water. Okay, never mind. Forget the past, just move on. Kasi kung broken hearted ka guys, ganun pala yung egg, no? Nagbo-broke siya. Kaya I didn't expect that, you know? The egg's gonna be broke like that. By the way guys, if you heartbroken, just move on. Kasi alam mo na magki-Christmas, di ba? Baka magkita kayo ng ex nyo sa church, di ba? Simple lang yan guys. Huwag nakita nyo ang ex nyo sa church, tapos wala kayong partner, bibeso-beso lang, ganyan-ganyan. Ang bango mo. Ganun. Yun lang guys. Bye.